Back in 1740, a ship's captain decided to go out and cure scurvy. If you don't know what scurvy is, it's an awful, terrible, disgusting disease that takes a long time to kill its victim. Back in the and it's cured by vitamin C. In the 1600s to 1800s, scurvy would kill up to 80 to 90% of a ship's crew. This doctor, Dr. Lind, had 12 sick patients on his ship, and he broke them up into 6 groups. 2 he gave seawater daily, 2 he gave cider daily, 2 he gave vinegar daily, 2 he gave vitriol daily, 2 he gave nutmeg daily, and the last 2 he gave oranges and lemons daily. As you can guess, the 2 that received the oranges and the lemons had a full recovery. Now, Dr. Lind wrote and published his findings about curing scurvy, and eventually he got to a position where he could have made a recommendation that all ships carry vitamin C. He did not. It took another 50 years and a different doctor to cure scurvy. I tell this story because I believe ideas and innovations are very important, but it's the decisions you make with the information that you have that really count. I think Penn gives a great foundation for making great decisions. I think everyone can go out and cure scurvy. Thank you.